Hi, it's Mark from WinningSolutionsInc.com, and I just finished my first session for Tuesday, which is day 2 of the Microsoft 2016 Worldwide Partner Conference here in Toronto, Canada. And this was kind of an out-of-the-box, very future-type session because it was about something called the blockchain. And that may or may not be something you're familiar with, but maybe you've heard of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is based on a technology called a blockchain. And I think the blockchain is going to have a big long-term impact on contracts, data, loans, mortgages, the property industry, things like that. Because what it is it's a way to track kind of a chain of custody and authentication. So one of the points that Microsoft made this morning was that while there have been some Bitcoin things such as repositories and people's wallets that have been hacked and stolen, Microsoft says the actual blockchain itself has never been hacked. Now that's huge when you stop and think about it, because what is the blockchain used for now? They call it like blockchain 1.0, the original version. It's used for this electronic money, this Bitcoin. And so what in the world would hackers want to attack more than electronic money? And there are places that accept Bitcoin. So I mean, it is a real currency. There are real businesses that accept Bitcoin. So it's not just something for hackers or an underground or a thing like that. But what's amazing is that Bitcoin has really gotten up on the radar, and now Microsoft realizes, hey, this is a serious technology with serious business implications. So they're creating an infrastructure, of course, once again on Microsoft Azure, to utilize Bitcoin, and so that people who are interested in Bitcoin can go on there and try some things out. Now, even Microsoft was emphasizing that this is really early and that it will be a while before this is really proven out and ready for production use. But for people who want to get into something early or understand something early, it's important. And we have a number of customers who I think would be able to take advantage of or may want to start looking in their very long-range plan at blockchains and what they could do for their business. And so I was glad that Microsoft is into this. Glad to see that they put on a session here at the Worldwide Partner Conference to kind of explain it. I've been kind of following a little bit before this, but it was good to really see what Microsoft's perspective is on it, how they plan to handle it. They're really investing in it. They've got people working on it, kind of contributing to the technology. They plan to make it open so anybody can use it on different clouds. It won't be just locked into Azure. So that's very encouraging to hear about. And obviously, you know, there's something going on here. You know, if Microsoft thinks that, well, this just isn't some crazy underground system for sending money, this is really serious. They were showing example transactions for like banks moving gold around and that sort of thing, or the rights to gold. And, you know, it could be used I've heard other people comment that believe that this could really change like the amount of paperwork, like, you know, you have to sign 100 times when you get a mortgage. That could all be cut down and done much more efficiently. And it also may change, you know, when some of the people in companies that are required to do like title searches and things like that to kind of validate the property. If there's a blockchain and it does the validation, so it knows that you own the property and that the property was appraised and that the property is such and such and it's at this location. See, that's kind of an example of how the blockchain could change everything. So this blockchain thing could be really transformative. So, you know, if you're in any kind of industry where you think that this might be important, would suggest that you take a look at it. If you'd like us to consult with you a little bit on blockchain and bounce some things off us here at Winning Solutions to see if you think, you know, if we think it's a good idea for you to be doing it, or to tell you, yeah, you know, don't waste your time with it, we'd be glad to have that discussion. If you want to have that discussion, head on over to our website. It's at WinningSolutionsInc.com. You can call us, email us, web chat with us, whatever you want to do from there. So with that, I'm going to close this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. There's plenty more videos coming from the Partner Conference. Check out our YouTube channel at youtube.com/MSAccessExpert, and look forward to talking to you in the next video. Thanks for watching.